How to save TurboTax progress. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. On TurboTax, if you have entered all the details such as personal info, income, expenses, deductions, and credits, and you want to save your progress to ensure that you can resume working on your tax return at any time without losing data, then in this video, I will guide you on how you can do that. Now, TurboTax Online automatically saves your progress as you work. That means TurboTax auto saves your work every time you move to the next section or page. If your session is idle for too long, TurboTax will notify you to save your work before logging out. Otherwise, TurboTax auto saves all of your work. So if you click on the sign out option over here, sign out of your account and then log in again, you will see that all of your details have been saved. If you want to ensure your progress is saved, you can do that manually as well. For that, click on the menu icon, then select Save and Sign Out option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.